as we can see now with our children, it's so unfortunate and very sad that even we lost those 16 girls simply because of lack of parenting and lack of those values which our young people should have. So we see now it is a clear call that we have to be very, very close to our young people. Children will go where they are directed. If they see the society going the other direction, they will follow that direction. For me, I think this is a clear call to the society that we go back to those values which made Kenya what used to be, a country known for peace, known for cohesion, a country which really follows those values which make the society, but we are seeing a society where everything is just about conflict, about division. This is a terrible reflection of our country.